Hello students, in this video I'm going to show you how you can learn from Google and get placed in Google itself. Like if you type in the Google search grow with Google, the first link itself you will land up here in www.grow.google.com, which is taking you to the original official website for the Google page where you can learn. So they have multiple tabs like grow your career, grow your business. So you can learn. This is a career certificate tab that whatever I'm showing now. So you can learn from your own pace. Like you can be at home whenever you are getting time, you can learn, and there is no experience required to learn from this portal. They are having a tie-up with Coursera. So Coursera is a global online learning portal. They both are helping students to just get placed in Google directly, because Google has a lot of openings with them, like digital market, and then IT support, data analyst, program management, UX design, Android development. So if you are a person who likes to do coding and developing, you can learn any of the related course for the Android development and UX design. You can get placed. So here they are having a lot of frequently asked questions. How you can learn, what is this certificate all about, you are having a lot of frequently asked questions here. Just you can help yourself, go read it. Whenever you get free time, just go enroll yourself, learn something from this portal. This is legitimate and valuable information from Google, that they are helping students who are searching job online. So you must have to learn from this kind of portal. And then Google is like for most of their dream company, right? So you can learn from the portal itself, like their tool, and then it will be easy for you to narrow down your job search instead of just randomly searching for everywhere. So if you know their tool or product already, you will be like able to just land in the job quickly. So just try to navigate to this grow Google, and then uh, learn, do certification from them and get placed in their company itself. That will definitely help you to find a quick job. Hope this will be useful, and see you on a next video. Take care. Bye bye.